A lot of people have cried on how they lost hundreds and thousands of dollars and how they also lost their YouTube channel due to these little mistakes they made. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave, Emesumi Francis. If today's your first time of coming across this face, please don't make it your last. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the possible ways why your YouTube channel can be demonetized or deleted from the surface of YouTube. You should know that YouTube has a lot of policies and they follow up their policies very, very strictly. One mistake you will make that is going to make your channel deleted from the surface of YouTube is when you have 3 copyright strike. Now, I am not talking about copyright claim. Copyright claims is not harmful to your channel. The only thing that is going to happen when you have a copyright claim is that particular video will not be monetized. But here is the good news. You can actually remove that audio, okay? You can actually remove that audio that is giving you a copyright claim from that video without deleting the video. I'll be making a video on that very soon, how you can take away the copyright claim from your video without deleting it from your channel, all right? But when you have copyright strike up to 3 times, that is when your channel could be deleted or will be deleted from the surface of YouTube. All right. So you have to be very careful about some things you do, especially while posting on YouTube. Mostly those that are fond of not posting their videos or those that are fond of posting some things that violate YouTube policy. It could bring down your video. It could make YouTube delete your video. And you know how painful it is working and building up a channel, and all of a sudden you just wake up and you discover that your video is no longer on YouTube. It is really, really frustrating because growing a channel takes hard work, it takes determination, it takes time, it takes stress, it takes everything. Okay, so you should be careful, all right? Once you've noticed you've had copyright strike, you've had one copyright strike, make sure that is the last copyright strike you always have. And that is why I will advise any YouTuber, once you become a YouTuber, go through YouTube policies, study them, read them, so you will know the do's and don'ts of YouTube. All right. A lot of people are falling victim for this and their channel were deleted and they start appealing to YouTube. One thing, once you are wrong and you appeal to YouTube, they are going to bounce it back, okay? Or your channel can be totally gone forever and you won't be able to create any other channel using that email. Now, the second mistake YouTubers do is giving out their channel email to people for business or whatsoever. All right, that is one big mistake YouTubers made. Okay, I was someone that don't make such mistake before. Not until I came across a particular video that opened my eyes to it, and since then I stopped. All right, and I had to go to my channel and change the email. All right, in your description box where you have the space for your email, or in your comment section, or in your bio, okay, that email you are dropping there, make sure it is not your email that is linked to your YouTube channel. Do you know why? That email, your channel can be hacked. And when your channel is hacked, whoever hacked the channel can do anything on the channel, okay? And that could actually make your channel deleted from the surface of YouTube. So if at all you want to drop any email on your bio, your description box, or your comment section, make sure you create a different email that is not linked to that your YouTube channel. Make sure you create a different email and always give out that email, all right? Because using that your YouTube channel, how they are going to come is they are going to send you links, all right, telling you they have business endorsement for you. That's why you should be very careful. Don't be so desperate looking for endorsement, okay? Because that is one way they are going to come for you. They are going to come for you, telling you that they have business endorsement for you, and they will give you a link, asking you to click on the link. And once you click on that link, believe me, your channel Otilo, the channel is boom. All right, they will hack your channel. I've heard about the story from a YouTuber how our channel was hacked, and all of a sudden, they started dropping noodles on the channel, and YouTube had to pull down the channel. Like the channel was gone, and she cried out her eyes. So you have to be extremely careful. All right, do not use the email attached to your YouTube channel for business, or don't even give it out to anyone, because YouTube is your business. Now, the third mistakes YouTubers make is always posting a video with other apps watermark. It is very, very wrong. I see people doing that. Probably those reaction videos, they pick up a video from TikTok, pick up videos from everywhere, and you see the video carrying the watermark of those apps. It is really, really wrong. When you keep on doing that continually, it could cost your channel. Yes, if you're someone that is doing that, please stop it. I can remember there was a video I dropped on my channel. It was having TikTok watermark, though it was my video, but I posted it there and I lost it from my phone. I had to go there, pick up the video, and uploaded it on my story here on YouTube, on my short rather, here on YouTube. Immediately I heard about this, immediately I knew this, I had to go back to my channel and I took that video off. I had to delete it immediately because I wouldn't want to hustle, try to build up my channel, and one silly mistake cost me my channel. So if you're someone that do that, stop it. There are ways you could download videos without having that app watermark. Okay, you could check for videos on YouTube space here how to do that. All right, there are a lot of videos on how to do that. Check for those videos, learn it, and download your videos without any watermark. All right, now the fourth mistake YouTubers make is posting things that violate YouTube policies, like posting those noodles, okay, like posting noodles or some kind of sexual stuff on your channel. It is very, very wrong. It could cost you your channel. Okay, your channel can be pulled down, it can be deleted from YouTube space. Now note this, you might be feeling, what about all those movie space where they do act their movies and yadi yadi yadi? Now, if your channel is a movie channel, it is well understood, and that is why you will even take note of it. Movies that are dropped on YouTube space now is no longer like before. When you see Nollywood movies, everything is now being regulated because things are not like that. Those days, they don't use YouTube. They will just film, post their movies and do all of that. But now everyone is now coming to YouTube space. Everyone is careful. When you now hear them, instead of using the real word for pie, now they're now using pie, they're now using poof. They're using a lot of slangs for a lot of things now, in even in movies. All right, but if your channel is not a movie channel and you're doing all of that, it could cost you your channel. Okay, or even saying words, using words that violates YouTube policy, it is very, very wrong. Or even on your title, your video titles. That is why you see some channel, when they want to write some certain things, they'll remove a letter or just do something. You don't violate their policies in that manner. All right, now I know there are some channels that talk about health, okay, that talk about health, talk about sexual life, and talk about all of that, and you want to put up pictures, okay, while explaining some things so that your viewers can have a proper understanding. Now what you're going to do is, instead of putting those pictures at the beginning part of your videos, you put it at the middle part of your videos or at the end part of your videos. When you've made video, like the early stage of the video, it's just you talking and explaining, or you're putting up other kind of pictures, okay, that does not violate YouTube policies. Then probably at the middle, you just flash it, not keeping it for so long. All right, that way you can be safe. But if you are not doing it this way, even as a channel that talk about health, if you are not doing it this way and you're putting such kind of pictures on your videos, it could cost your channel. It is very, very risky. Now, let us look at things that could make your channel demonetized. All right, things that could make your channel demonetized. I was once demonetized from my other channel. All right, I was demonetized and I felt really, really bad. One thing that can make your videos demonetized is copyright claims. I'm not talking about copyright strike. Copyright strike can pull down your channel like as a whole, but copyright claim can only make that video demonetized. All right, so you should be careful about the kind of content you use, the kind of music you use. All right, you have to make sure that the music you are using doesn't have copyright claims on it. All right, there are some music they will tell you for you to use it to be free from copyright claim is for you to credit them. Okay, give them the credit um on your description box. Okay, why some of them, even when you put even when you give them the credit on your description box, they will still give you copyright claim. I can remember there was a video I used on one of my vlogs back then. Okay, after like 1 year I saw copyright claim on that video. Okay, at first the channel is a copyright free channel. Okay, so I used it and for like a year nothing happened, but after 1 year I had copyright claim. I had to go and silence the music from my video without deleting the video. Like I said, I'm going to make a video on that. Now, another thing that can make your channel demonetized is if your channel is not fully monetized. Now, what do I mean by if your channel is not fully monetized? If you don't have your AdSense, AdSense is very, very important when it comes to monetization on YouTube. Okay. Now, this AdSense, you have to have your AdSense pin. Okay, I am rushing it too much. We all know that to get monetized, okay, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Okay, now when you've met this monetization criteria, you can apply for monetization and you'll be welcome into the YouTube partnership program. All right, you have to create an AdSense account. You create the AdSense account, then like after like 2 or 3 weeks or so, I can't really remember, you'll be required for some documents. All right, you'll be required some documents, which is your identification. Okay, either it is your driver's license or your international passport or your national identity card, so they say, but some people told me it doesn't work. Now, okay, you do all of that. Now, there's something you're going to need. There's something YouTube is going to send you, which is your AdSense pin, okay? Without you having this AdSense pin, your channel can be demonetized. Yes, you apply for this AdSense pin, and when you don't get it, your channel will be demonetized, okay? After the space of 3 months, I applied for my AdSense pin. After 3 months, I couldn't get the AdSense pin, and my channel got demonetized. Now, this is what the AdSense pin look like. Now, this is what your AdSense pin look like. Without this pin in my hand, your channel will not be monetized. So everyone look forward of getting this pin, all right? And I'm going to tell you, when you've applied for this pin, the best place to put for your address should be your post office address. Don't use your house address, because most time it could take really long for it to come to your house. It might not even come to your house. You have to pick it up from your post office. So those are the things that could make your channel demonetized. Okay, so you just have to be careful. You just have to be careful. You just have to be careful. Do your thing. Read the YouTube policies very well. Create your content by yourself. Do the right thing, and we all are going to soar higher and excel on this YouTube space. If you've watched this video to this extent, do well to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed, click on the bell notification so you could be notified whenever we drop a new video. Drop in the comment section. Let us know your thoughts about this video or anything you want us to do. Let us know in the comment section. Give this video a huge thumbs up so others can see this video, and see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye.